don't get to think of the good times and miss him. I stuck a cup of poison next to his mouth and I made him drink it. I murdered the bloke that I loved.
Life's too short to even care at all. I'm coming up now, out of the blue. Oh, these zombies in the park, they're looking for my a dark world aches for a splash of the sun. I'm losing my mind, losing control. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they say could restore me. One more spoon of cough syrup.